Good morning, Island City Academy kindergartners. We're going to do the letter X today for X-ray. And X-ray are the things that when you go to the doctor, break a bone or whatever, you have a chance to see your bones. So we're going to do fish. We're going to show the fish scale, the bones in the fish here. Okay, first of all though, you need paper, and you need a pencil, and you need crayons. Okay, so now we're going to draw out the actual fish, and then we will do everything else. But since you are using white paper, we're going to reverse this a little bit because see, in class, I would have you have blue paper and then white crayon. But I am going to now have white paper with black marker or crayon to work with. So it will be just the opposite of what we've been doing in class. But again, the letter X for X-ray. Okay, make sure you have your name on the bottom of your paper. Turn it over. Okay, let's put your name on the paper. And turn it over. All right, now you can do this with a pencil first, but I'm going to use a marker, or this black crayon, because my pencil doesn't show very well up on the screen. So I'm going to use a black crayon, but you're going to use a pencil. Okay, so we're going to start out with a fish. We're going to round off the top, just like this. Make a little V for the mouth. Then we're going to make another round, like a smile. Then we're going to make triangles here for the tail. We're going to use another triangle for a fin at the top and a fin at the bottom. Then we're going to use a circle for the eye. Okay, so now that's one fish at this point. Let's do two more. Okay, again, using the same procedure as we did before, we're going to make a round surface like this, a V, a smile, and now a triangle for the fish tail. And we're going to make another triangle, but it's going to be bent just like the first one. And then we're going to use an eye. And now let's go for another fish. Okay, I'm going to make mine a little bit smaller. So we're going to have a shape like this, a half a circle, then a V, a smile, and then again another triangle. Triangle at the top, triangle at the bottom, and a circle. Okay, now we have our fish. Now let's put the skeleton, the bones in. I'm pretty sure that maybe some of you have been going fishing and you see the actual fish bones. Okay, so we're going to make a curve through here. That's where the gills are. And then we're going to make a one line like this. And then we're going to make some bones coming across just like that. All right, we do that the same thing with the other two. We bring a shape like this for the gills, then a line, then we do some more lines for the fish, and then we are going to do the same thing with the small one and continue like this. Okay, so now we're going to add some ground. Okay, we're going to add some ground. Doesn't make any difference what kind of shape it is. We're going to add some seaweed. You know, you can make straight lines like this, or they can be curved like what I did here, but it's all up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do that. Now we're going to put some bubbles in because they do breathe oxygen, so we're going to put some bubbles in through here and all the fish. Right now this one has this very small one, so we're going to have just a few little bubbles right through here and continue up. All right, so now we're ready to color. Water is blue, so we're going to use a peeled blue crayon, and we're just simply going to just go over the surface just like this, over the fish and everything, because after all, they are in water. So we're just going to go right over the whole thing. You don't have to press very hard because you want your fish to show. And there we are with the water. Now we're going to take green and make it for the seaweed right through here. And we're going to take a brown for the ground. And there is your letter X for X-ray. So there you are. You have a nice little drawing of a fish, or 3 fishes. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.